Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, tēnā koe.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MāORI, kia au.
Tō mātou tuku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there,
Tō
Matamata.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Yeah. I tell you what, most teams, the clubs I talk to, front row.
Hello?
It's the same here. Tough, people got jobs to commit to, Yeah. On the tools all week. I feel like that's what's...
E te iwi nau mai hare mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga a whakaata Māori, ka mihi ki ngā maunga ngā wai me ngā ahika o tēnei rohe. Tēnā rā koutou katoa, ki ngā kai whakahaere me ngā kai whakataitai he mihi mahana puki kia koutou. Ka kite a tātou te tahi kēmu whetu Paori o Whanganui i tēnei rōpū a Lindisfarne College, te kura me te mana, St. Paul's College, te kura me te mana, a ka kite a tātou i ētahi o ngā kai ākoro a te rānei mō Lindisfarne, Tom Griffiths, Logan Timms, Theo Dymock, Richard Dawson, Harry Reid, David Simutonga, Hunter Tho, Charlie East, Charlie Tizard, Mayaraki Winia, Olivia McIntosh, Fergus Benfield, Reed Palmer, Sam Britton, Gus Munro, Joseph Turner, Kylian Ko Vai, Oscar Brandon, Hugo Beardmore, RDJ Smith, Karawi Te Raingoa, TK Taylor, J. Ledet Hinfo. A ko tēnā te kai tākoro mō Lindisfarne College, te tahi o ngā kura ki konei ki here taunga. Nā, mō St. Paul's College, Collegiate rānei, Lucas Hull, Jackson Hill Brown, George Kennedy, Gus Weir, Alex Young, George Benjamin, Rory Boynton, Lockie Young, James Very, Harry Kilmister, Caleb Blake, Leighton Birch, Quintus Daniel, Hadley Thompson, Jackson Hay, Chris Kahotea, Victor McLeod, Josh Kibbe, Ruben Brumore, Billy Smith, Dylan McLaren, Caleb De Bruin. Nā ko tērā te kai tākoro mō St. Paul's Collegiate. Engari, ka hari atu tātou ki tēnei kēmu i Whanganui e nei rōpū e rua. St. Paul's Collegiate, the coach, Daniel Tika, and the coach for Lindisfarne, Laurent Sumutonga and Blair Cross. Nā awawe nei ka timata tēnei kēmu i Whanganui i nei rōpū e rua. Nā ka mihi mahana ki a MāORI Television. Mō tēnei kēmu nei. Awawe nei ka timata te kēmu.
Do you need the boys to do touch? One each thing? You got touches?
We
get one.
Not sure how far away.
Another guy's coming, but he'll be a wee while.
Where all those Lindisfarne ones I trained up.
Pardon?
I trained a whole lot of Lindisfarne guys up how to do the
Oh, yeah. They can do it then.
I don't know where they
Honestly.
Wabi nei whānau ka tīmata tēnei kēmu ki here taunga. Ko whiti mai te rā, I te rā nei, te ua mo te wiki katoa. It's been a couple rainy days here in Hawke's Bay. Engari ko whiti mai te rā, I te rā nei, but the sun has come out today for this game between Lindisfarne College and St. Paul's Collegiate. Ki te koutou ngā kākuhu whero mō Lindisfarne.
It's been a long day. It's only 12 o'clock, eh?
It's a long day.
E te kaha te titiro o ēnei taiohi, ēnei rangatira nei.
One guy is ripping, been playing, been ripping.
Oh, yeah. That's a lot of Ks.
E te tūkaha tū mai tēnei rōpū no St. Paul's Collegiate ne. Rangatira nei, ke te tū mai ngā whānau. Te mātakitaki I a rātou tamariki ko Lindisfarne tēnei, and Lindisfarne takes the field in their traditional colours. Whero, ngina ka noho koe ki konei, ki here taunga, ka kite e koutou I nei rangatira I ngā wākato me tā rātou kākuhu whero. If you're a here taunga local, you know the Lindisfarne colours.
See this all power off? Yep. Try it again. Yeah, you got on.
Oh, yeah.
Tū mai ngā rangatira,
They're on. You hear it beeping.
te mihi,
Join the mesh. Good. Yep. Join them.
o te timata o tēnei kēmu I Whanganui, I nei kura e rua.
Mesh close. Oh, yeah, got you now.
Kaha tērā haka no St. Paul's Collegiate. Nā he whakautu no Lindisfarne a wawe nei, ki te haere rātou ki te mai tā rātou haka, a rousing haka there by St. Paul's Collegiate as Lindisfarne look to respond. Ki roko mahi pai a rangatahi. Rousing haka there by both teams as Lindisfarne finish up their haka there. Saints Paul Collegiate respond with their own as Lindisfarne do their own. Massive matchup today between these two sides. Perfect conditions for rugby. Lots of energies coming from both sides, as you can see by those beautiful hakas. And I have a feeling those forwards in the haka are gonna set the tone early for this match, as they decide territory. You see the discipline in our rangatahi. Beautiful mahi here. Very proud of our rangatahi here from Heretonga. Hakas are done. Now it's time to back it up. For Lindisfarne, ka whana I te poro I te tuatahil. Lindisfarne will kick off. Once again, a beautiful day here in Heretonga, which is honestly a little bit rare these days, unfortunately. And we're off our note. Strong tackle there by Lindisfarne, great defense. Bit of a rocking battle there. Nice kicking game there by the St. Paul's Collegiate. And penalty. And offside according to the ref. Ke te pai, ka haere tonu. Beautiful kick there by St. Paul's. As they'll get penalty.
Go, 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 go! Go like it!
Ka with te mahi ki konei. Oh, hea hoa whana. Hopitia passes it out to his Lindisfarne teammate. Beautiful mahi there by Lindisfarne. And as I predicted,
Go, 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 go!
Come down, St. Paul. Big one. Come down off the mark, please.
not quite this time. Ke te pai, ka haere tonu.
No, we're not huddling up. Get into the line out or a free kick here.
Watch out. Coming back. 30 seconds. There's a 30 seconds. Watch out, no pressure. Go red.
Line out here by Lindisfarne. Ball by St. Paul's, ke te pai.
Go boys, go!
Ka haere tonu, ko tērā taku ki waha. Lindisfarne with it. Beautiful breaking through, beautiful tackles here. St. Paul's on the defense. Stolen by St. Paul's Collegiate. Beautiful mahi here. He's going to run away. He's going to get the try. Beautiful mahi. St. Paul's are on the scoreboard. Karima tērā. More St. Paul's. Beautiful mahi here, setting the tone early. Beautiful mahi there by St. Paul's, breaking through those tackles to get that try, and they are on the scoreboard. Quick hands there. And makes the conversion. Beautiful mahi here. Whanganui, we are up 7-0. 7 to St. Paul's. E oma whakamihara o tērā. Ai tērā kai tākaro o St. Paul's. E whāminiti noi ho o tēnei kemi. Tai anō ko tīmata. Tēnei kemi o Whanganui I a Lindisfarne me St. Paul's. Engari ka kite a tātou te mana o enei ropu e rua. He wā whakamiharo tērā mai o St. Paul's College ki te tiki I tērā. He piro nui tērā. Ka whana a Lindisfarne. Hopungia mai I a St. Paul's Collegiate. St. Paul catches the ball. Gets it out to his teammate. Boots it to the other side of the field. Just slipped through the hand of the Lindisfarne College player, number 15. Beautiful mahi here by Lindisfarne, breaking through the tackles. Gets it off to his teammate. Beautiful mahi here. Stolen by St. Paul's. Big battle here on the ground between these two teams. Thinks about a kick, changes his mind, gets it out. Beautiful pass there by St. Paul's, playing beautifully here, St. Paul's. Gets it out to his teammate and drops through their hands, but it's knocked back. But a handover. Lindisfarne and St. Paul's playing amazing here early. Already seen lots of mana here by both these teams. And great handling of the ball to get it out, offload to their teammates. And a scrum to come. The first scrum of the match. We will see which side is a more dominant scrum. Lindisfarne get the ball. Can they tie this thing up? Nice run there by Lindisfarne. And a breakthrough there. Beautiful tackle there by the St. Paul's player. Lindisfarne tried to get the ball out. They do. Beautiful mahi there by Lindisfarne to recover and get their ball. And a penalty to St. Paul's, kei te pai, ka haere tonu ko tera taku ki. Lindisfarne playing really patient rugby. Forwards putting in massive effort here. Strong carry after strong carry. Second scrum here for St. Paul's. Unfortunately, having some trouble with the scrums here, kei te pai. But then folding. St. Paul's get it. Beautiful mahi here by St. Paul's. And a penalty, kei te pai. Lindisfarne should get the ball back here, kei te pai. Haere tonu, ko te rataku kiwaha. Kia ha te he, hea ha te hara, ka haere tonu. Nā, ko te scrum anō. Kare au ka moi o te kupu Māori mo te scrum, ta titiro i no te pirangi, ne? Engari, again, patient rugby here by Lindisfarne, taking their time, trying to tie this game up. And St. Paul's will get it back. Beautiful mahi here by St. Paul's, also playing beautifully.
Like not necessary, really. Go, Gussie! Go, Gus!
Beautiful kicking game we've seen by both of these sides. Beautiful run here by Lindisfarne, ki te pai. And some good defense here as well by St. Paul's. Gets it out to his Lindisfarne teammate. Beautiful mahi here. Recycling the ball. But St. Paul's showing great defense as well. Number 8 for Lindisfarne, bowling through his opponents, but still great defense there by St. Paul's. Phase after phase here by Lindisfarne. Again, playing very patiently. Absolutely no signs of fatigue by Lindisfarne. Runs it straight through the attack. Beautiful pass there by Lindisfarne and the offload. St. Paul doing a great job to keep the offense off. Defense scrambling everywhere. And a knock on, unfortunately, by Lindisfarne. We had a car there. Patangia I te waka, ari e te pai. Brutal physical attack there by Lindisfarne and their run. Beautiful catch there by St. Paul's.
Nice, boys. Good contest, Gus.
Tēnei te scrum tuatoru o tēnei kēmu. Kuna me iwa. Kimi e tono hoka whana.
Spread the field, boys. Spread the field.
Ia St. Paul's, te poro. Kuma pai tērā, ka whana.
Thanks, Orlando. Call of the day. Where?
And penalty. Āta haere e nei kura e rua. E tino whakaaro rātou mo a rātou nekehanga.
You have a haircut.
I do, just like intermediate team was just extremely
Ko Lindisfarne, te tahi o ngā kura tino rongonui o tēnei rohe o here taunga te matawa MΑORI rānei. Engari, ki te whakātua St. Paul's Collegiate, ka rātou mana i te rānei hoki. Excellent support there around the ball carrier. Lindisfarne looking to tie things up. Almost getting over the line. Held up. Held up on the line. Is the call by the ref. Should be a line out kick. E tākaro kaha Whanganui e nei kura I rua. A Lindisfarne rawa ko St. Paul's Collegiate e nei kura e rua o tēnei rohe o here taunga te matawa MΑORI, ahuriri hoki. Ari rātau e mutu te kaha o nei o tēnei ke mo te whitupaoro, ne? Hopingia Lindisfarne. Beautiful run there by Lindisfarne, trying to break through the defence. Beautiful pass there. It was a nice offload, but just a little bit too low there. Kei te pai e hoa, ka haere tonu. Whakata MAORI, tēnei. Ka mihi ke whakata MAORI o tēnei pāpāhotanga. Ka kite a koutou mo te kure whānau ngā whanaunga rānei. It's fine, but right now, just slips through the hand. St. Paul's get it back. Beautiful passing here from side to side. Good run, a little flick pass around the back, but the ball goes out. St. Paul's are using their kicking game a little bit more sparingly, trying to use their agility a little more. St. Paul's win the line out.
Come on, Haka.
The boys here with the line out, they win. Beautiful mahi. Just passes through the hand. St. Paul's come up with it anyway. Nice recovery there by St. Paul's. Passing beautifully from side to side here, St. Paul's. As the offense trying to run right through the attack. Beautiful defense, rather. Nice agility here, shown by St. Paul's. Nick's about to pass, tries to run through anyway. Kate White. St. Paul's with the kick. Thought it was blocked there for a second, not this time. Lindisfarne come up with it as they try to even the scores up. As we come upon the 20-minute mark here in this game. I Whanganui nei Kiemu Kura e roa. St. Paul's Collegiate me Lindisfarne. E nei kura no tēnei rohe o te mata o MΑORI.
Oi, touchy, get number 3 off.
Come on, go to him.
St. Paul's building a lot of pressure here.
See you guys anyway. Hey, mate.
St. Paul's building a lot of pressure here with the wave of attack, playing beautiful rugby, physical rugby. Trying to break the line. No signs of fatigue on either side of these kura. Lindisfarne or St. Paul's. Kauri ngenge pēnei kura e roa.
I think they've already put the replacements on. They're just working to get them on.
Poor fella.
Deep down though is a legitimate front row replacement.
Haka. I think so, yeah. Griffith gone too. We did there.
Don't play model.
Was that Griff that was off?
Griffy, yeah.
And Feilding.
Probably picking up his phone.
Hello.
Good chance for both sides to just reset here. Think about the game, think about what they could do, how they can break the lines. As St. Paul's try to claim their territory on the field. So far, very physical between these kura e roa. Both teams testing each other with their kicking games. E whana, e Kiemu whana I Whanganui e nei kura e roa. As we look to restart here. Scrum. Once again, St. Paul's in the lead. 7-2-0. St. Paul's with the ball. Beautiful run here by St. Paul's. Looking for the offload, can't quite get it. Kei te pai, ka haere tonu. And a penalty to St. Paul's. Lots of physicality in this match between Lindisfarne and St. Paul's. Both teams testing each other. Lindisfarne a bit. Beautiful run there by Lindisfarne as they try to break the line. And a penalty there to Lindisfarne, kei te pai. Securing their position on the field very well here, St. Paul's. Strong run here by Lindisfarne. Beautiful run there by Lindisfarne. Quick ruck game, gets it up, gets the ball out. Lindisfarne with a break through the halfway line. They've been stuck on the opposition's side for a while now. Nice little step there by Lindisfarne as they make some good meters here. Beautiful run and pass there by Lindisfarne. Little chip and chase there, but picked up by St. Paul's. And a bit of a scuffle there between some of the boys. Kei te pai, ko te aroha tera mo te kemu. Luckily things calm down a little. That'll be a scrum. Te ako ātahikoi kai whakatākoro mō Lindisfarne, kai mārua. Te aitua. Engari ka hihia ia ki te tākoro tonu. Ka te mana tērā. As we look to reset here. Scrum. So far, both teams playing very physically. St. Paul's kick, chip and chase. Lindisfarne come up with a great defense there by Lindisfarne and great way to recover. Beautiful mahi here by our rangatahi. Massive boot. St. Paul's get it. That will be a knock on. St. Paul's kei te pai. Haere tonu ko te rataku kiwaha. Kia ha te hara he aha te he ka haere tonu. Lindisfarne are holding up very well here, despite being down, playing very patient rugby, looking to break the line. Slowly building pressure against St. Paul's is Lindisfarne. Still a very even match, and still anybody's game really. Just trying to get it, beautiful. Nice pass there. Little chip and chase there. St. Paul's get it. Beautiful mahi there by St. Paul's. Nice little step there by the St. Paul's player. Beautiful mahi here, what? And a big boot there by St. Paul's. Number 13 for Lindisfarne. Gets it. Nice little step. Beautiful run here. Tries to find his teammate. And a little ruck battle. St. Paul's get it. Win the ruck. St. Paul's breakthrough. And penalty here. The Lindisfarne. St. Paul's themselves building on the pressure that they set in the opening minutes of this game. Playing very beautifully. Little mistakes here and there, but moving on. Big boot here by St. Paul's. Lindisfarne with the line out. So far, very even match between these two schools. For Lindisfarne, for St. Paul's. St. Paul's come up with it. And it's a tap and chase. Beautiful mahi here by St. Paul's. Doing a very good job to defend in the ruck. Trying to get it over that try line. Beautiful tackle there by Lindisfarne, showing great defense, Lindisfarne. St. Paul's trying to build momentum, but Lindisfarne doing a great job on defense. St. Paul's being very patient here, trying to get over the try line. E ato haere rātou, titiro, o rātou hoa. And looks like Lindisfarne doing a great job here on defense as they come up with it. But it will be a knock on. Kei te pai, ka haere tonu, ko tērā taku tino kiwaha. Kia ha te he, ka haere tonu. Kua tai mai ngā whānau me ngā whanunga ki konei ki tēnei rohe o te matawa Māori ki te kite i nei kura e roa. See the families coming out to support children, cousins, whānau. Beautiful recovery there by St. Paul's. Just a little bit off with the pass ki te pai haere tonu e hoa. And that'll be a scrum to Lindisfarne. Good patience here by both these teams, not forcing any miracle. Slowly trying to break down each other's side. Just playing very good technical rugby. Good discipline by both sides, despite a few errors here and there. Ati tērā whapai. As we can see, both sides very passionate about winning. Rick tries to explain to them. Keep it simple, boys. Nā tā haere koutou e hoa mā. Beautiful run here by Lindisfarne. As we see the game getting a little more physical as the intensity ramps up. Beautiful handling here by Lindisfarne. Beautiful run here. Powerful run here by Lindisfarne. Looking to even this game up. Another beautiful run. Breaking through the line.
Turner played fast and then
and a penalty. Turutukau mā whānga meriti pahi. Just over 5 more minutes left here in this half. Whānau. Ki te koutou te mana me te wehi o ene kore e roa. 7-0 St. Paul's. Try came in the first 5 minutes of a beautiful run by St. Paul's. Once again, Lindisfarne looking to build pressure on their try line. Beautiful run here, getting very, very close.
How long did Tizzy last for?
Lindisfarne. Very, very close. And a penalty to Lindisfarne. Ke te pai e hoa mā, haere tonu. Ke te tata, te motu, tēnei wāhanga o tēnei kēmu, te wāhanga totahi o tēnei kēmu o Whanganui I tēnei kura e roa, ne?
Are you coming for lunch?
I've been waiting for the right time. I'm just fine until I'm finding the greener grass a little sun. It is yours, it is mine.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Local drama. International drama.
UCI verdict.
The best of Indigenous talents. Drama queens.
Just wake up, sis.
And epic scenes. Fiction-laced.
You shouldn't have done that.
Or reality-based. Award-winning, riveting.
No, they're here!
If you go looking for drama, let it find you right here. This year, ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
The best kind of people I want to interview are the ones that have got something really significant to say.
The new season of award-winning current affairs.
It's really about having a conversation and listening.
Te ao with Moana, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Well, whānau, it's been a very close first half I Whanganui I ēnei kura e rua. Very tight first half between these two teams, St. Paul's Collegiate and Lindisfarne, on a beautiful day here in the sunny Hawke's Bay. They call it the sunny Hawke's Bay. It hasn't been sunny this year, but the sun has come out, beautiful mahi. Momentum swing both ways. Lindisfarne building great pressure there at the end of the first half. Been a real wrestle between these two teams. Kia mu kaha tēnei. I Whanganui I ēnei kura e roa o tēnei rohe o te matawa Māori. Lindisfarne are leading by 7, but still anybody's game. Not much separating these two teams, I know.
Yeah, they were getting every time you look over, eh? Off the kickoff, did you see the one off
Discipline
the kickoff?
is going to be key in the second half.
We didn't get
Fortunately, just a few handling errors by both teams. Engari, kei te pai, I te rangatahi, are still playing beautifully. Again, St. Paul's have been doing great mahi on defence, keeping the space tight, defensive lines, very organised, great mahi in the ruck. Lindisfarne using a little bit more kicking game than St. Paul's. Being very clinical in the attack and very patient. Lindisfarne being very patient, not afraid to go phase after phase, trying to break through the line. Anai, a wawe nei, ka te mata, e wahanga tōru o tēnei kēmu, i Whanganui e nei kura e rua, rongonui o Lindisfarne me St. Paul's. St. Paul's kick off. Really not much between them on the scoreboard so far. I know. Yeah, St. Paul's kick off. Oh, Islanders fun. Beautiful catch there. E taha uki o tērā, kai tākoro. Beautiful run here by Lindisfarne as he's caught up by St. Paul's. And the penalty, St. Paul's get the pie. Lindisfarne will get it back. Is there a big momentum shift coming here, Fano? Early pressure in the second half will be key.
So is that because Tinsley's not a like their flat, so it's a big ball party?
Ka kite e tātou ngā whānau ko tae mai ki te kite a tātou tamariki. He whawhaiti i Whanganui e nei kore e roa, kei te pai ko tērā te araha o te kēmu noiho. Rangatahi. This one should get the ball here, close to their try line. With a big second half ahead. Beautiful mahi. Get the try.
No, it's Sam.
Building momentum here in the second half. St. Paul's looking very fresh as they go up.
Nah, Sam's on the side.
What is jam? Cuts in, goes off their player.
Yeah, that was a rookie mistake.
Needs the ball soon.
Wait, do you even have to jam? Or is there a call for jam?
Push, St. Paul's. $15, $14, right? Beautiful kick there, St. Paul's in the lead. Yeah, early on in the second half. They scored early in the first half and early in the second half.
A massive short wearing like demos.
Lindisfarne looking to settle in now.
Seko!
Should we go down?
Go Rito! Go Rito!
Nice kick there by St. Paul. A big run here by Lindisfarne. Looking to break through the line. Looks like a knock on in the ruck by Lindisfarne. Ke te pai e hoa, ka haere tonu.
Yeah, I would have said he did a good one.
A tahua te mahi o nei kura e rua. Ke te pai. Lindisfarne looking, still playing with a lot of mana, making little small errors here and there. Engari kei te pai, haere tonu. St. Paul's with the ball, beautiful mahi, and a big boot there by St. Paul's. Clean kick, picked up well by Lindisfarne, and the boot returned.
B-line. Fire now, fire.
Tough run there by St. Paul's.
Has the ice call ever been called? The defence, the ice defence.
Looking for the chip and chase, can't quite get it. Lindisfarne, big pass there, beautiful pass. Almost held up in goal. And he's held up in goal. Get the play. Haere tonu. Rauhi ki te kiti i ngā whānau kua tā mai ki te mātakitaki i a rātou tamariki i a rātou whanaunga. Rānei. Great defence in the goal area there by St. Paul's. As they look to score here again. Beautiful mahi there. By Lindisfarne to get the ball back. Unbelievable defence on their own line. Never seen a pass like that before, but he gets it done. Beautiful mahi.
Go, Jed.
Penalty to St. Paul's. Tap and go. Nice step there. And a little flick pass. Strong tackle by St. Paul's. Again, beautiful defence by Aorangatahi from St. Paul's. Strong run through the line there by Lindisfarne. Great recovery by number 10, Lindisfarne. Despite the scorecard, number 10 for Lindisfarne has been playing fantastic this afternoon. And a penalty for Lindisfarne. St. Paul's will get it back here. So far, whānau e whitu miniti. Coming up on the 8-minute mark here of the second half. I Whanganui i ēnei kura e roa. Coming up on the 8-minute mark, whānau. Puritu kaumārua ngā miniti e toi. 32 minutes to go. And what's been a very physical game between ēnei kura e roa. These two schools, Lindisfarne, St. Paul's. No te rohe nei o te Matamata MΑORI. St. Paul's get the line out. Beautiful push here by St. Paul's. Again, showing that physicality. They try to get over the try line. Are they going to make it? Don't know yet, whānau. Big boot there. Beautiful catch there by St. Paul's as he almost gets caught up with his teammate, but great recovery nevertheless. Out to the corner, almost taken out, and he is. Beautiful defense there by Lindisfarne to push the player out.
Jenny, exactly all good though. It's been so
Don't jinx it, Butler. He'll be nervous.
Deep into this contest now for Mano.
Nah, just win the second.
Not seeing too many signs of fatigue by either side. Playing with a lot of grit. There's Lindisfarne.
but yeah, nah, he's been pretty mean. Especially compared to the
Jed. And shit, Jed.
Yeah.
And again, Jed.
Yeah, okay.
Patient here in the ruck is St. Paul's. Beautiful pass. Great recovery on that catch. St. Paul's looking to build more momentum, put more distance between them and Lindisfarne.
Nice, Jay.
Wrong tackle there. Kaha hoki o i nei kura e rua i nei kai tākoro, i nei kai aka, kai haka rangatahi.
Surely busy.
We did not have a bomb.
What, the takeoff East in
Harry Reid.
Lindisfarne with it. Interesting pass there by Lindisfarne.
I overheard Wise.
But he made it work. Big boot by Lindisfarne. Fortunately he goes out. Kei te pai e hoa, haere tonu.
Our first
Oh, no, our full pack goes down.
Rutako, MΑORI, ngā meneti e toi I Whanganui I tēnei kēmu. Rutako, MΑORI, ngā meneti ki te toi. 28 minutes left in the second half whānau. So far, both sides showing great defence. Little errors here and there by Lindisfarne have cost them. Engari still playing very, very gritty rugby. Great kick there by Lindisfarne. And a knock on. Yeah, scrum.
Look at the front row.
Both sides showing great discipline in the scrum. Got off to a bit of a rough start so far in the second half. Great discipline. Beautiful restart there by St. Paul's. And a great run, breaking through the line. Looking for his mate. Finds it, just drops the ball. Thought that would be a knock on and scored. Lindisfarne will get it. St. Paul's, despite the knock on, have done a great job keeping their territory. As Lindisfarne get moved to their side, their half of the field rather. Ka taia no ko whiti mai, te rā, ki te rā nei. O kaha ua, ko nei ki te matawa māui e nei rā.
Our son's good, mate. Go, Rito!
Strong run there by Lindisfarne. Strong fed.
Oh, nice, bloke.
Lindisfarne with it. Looking to get on the scoreboard.
Go with him, guys.
Great tackle there by St. Paul's.
Max, but what are you doing? Wait, what colour is at our house? Me.
Nice footwork here by St. Lindisfarne. Trying to get their way to the scoreline. Very, very close. And that'll be it.
Get up, AC.
Ataua te mahi ki reira. E haere mai te whana. Ua te kaumā rima ngā menete e toa I Whanganui I tēnei kēmu o enei kura e rua. O Lindisfarne, rawa ko St. Paul's Collegiate. Me whanau enei kura e rua o tēnei rohe o te matawa māui.
Give it to Jay. Jay would know.
Big moment coming up here. I know in the closing stages of this game. Haere mai te whana. He whana nui. But just misses it, unfortunately. Kei te pai. It was a very difficult angle, I must say myself. I don't know if our best kickers could have made that.
I played 2 full games.
Korera nau mō tērā tangata rongonui ko te kāra, ne? Beautifully caught here by Lindisfarne. Very short kick. Strong run. Very strong run. Very, very strong run. Beautiful mahi there by number 10 for Lindisfarne. Engari. Strong run there by Lindisfarne. Again, showing a lot of grit in this game. Despite being down, still playing with a lot of mana. And they should be commended for that. Again, still anybody's game. He aitua. Konei. To give me see the toll physically this game has on some of our rangatahi. And it has been a difficult contest so far. As we come to the closing stages of this game, coming up on our final 20 minutes here. St. Paul's win the line out. Beautiful mahi there by our rangatahi. Very strong physicality shown here by St. Paul's, not just during this ruck, but through the whole game. Beautiful pass. St. Paul's looking to extend their lead. Beautiful mahi here by... And I believe he was pushed out, Whanau, but we will see great defense there by Lindisfarne. There'll be a... Not this time, Whanau. That'll be a scrum. E te awa amu e tahi o enei rangatahi no St. Paul's. Kei te pai tērā, ko te mana o te aroha mo te kēmu tērā. Taku kiwaha ko te haere tonu, hei aha te kōrero. Hei aha te amamu. Lindisfarne again, still anybody's game. Still 20 minutes left in this game, Pano. Beautiful defense there by St. Paul's. Beautiful run here by Lindisfarne as he looks to boot. Chip and chase. Picked up but pushed out. Beautiful play there by Lindisfarne. Couldn't quite complete, but hei aha, as I say, haere tonu.
Go work, Reed. Let's go. Pressure, boys.
There'll be a line out for St. Paul's. They should get the ball here, I know, but who knows?
22! Come on, Joe!
Jed's lifting easy. No, he got it. Someone clip Jed sniffing Eastie's ass. Watch. Jed's lifting easy. Come on, boys! Look at Jed putting in the work. Yeah, Jed. Go. Oh.
And St. Paul's get the penalty. Lindisfarne looking to score here late in this game. Whanau. Strong tackle there by St. Paul's. Get the bite. Timmy goes for the chip and chase. And it's kicked out. Get the pai e Haka haere tonu. Lindisfarne showing great creativity here in these final 15 minutes. Still anybody's game, Whanau. You can see some of the signs of fatigue on the side, on both sides. It's a proper grind now. Both sides digging in. Big boot here. Beautiful catch by Lindisfarne.
Oh, Beanmore! This is the bomb score.
Again, one of the stories of this game so far has been the battle of the ruck. Both sides showing great grit.
Come on, boys.
Lindisfarne slowly crawling their way towards their try line. Strong run here by Lindisfarne. Held up over the line, but inching closer and closer.
Come on.
Lindisfarne looking to get the try. Beautiful mahi there by Lindisfarne. Lindisfarne get it down, and this game is getting closer and closer. Whanau 10-14 with a kick coming up. Still 15 minutes rather to go in this.
This is your time on the field.
Once again, Lindisfarne showing that their patience is paying off.
Well done, Rito.
time I did the 80-minute game.
Momentum slowly shifting in this game. And a very crucial score in this stage of the game final. Beautiful boot, just a little bit off to the right.
Go again, TK. Let's go, Wendy.
See the whānau there supporting their teams. Very close match whānau. 10-14. Lindisfarne only need one try to take a 1 point lead. Strong run there by Lindisfarne. St. Paul's come up with it. Kei te pai, aere tonu e hoa. Hau te oma o tēnei ropu as they tried to extend their lead whānau. Very crucial here in the final 10-15 minutes of this game. Not afraid to go phase after phase despite some signs of fatigue by both sides. Beautiful step there by number 13. He's had a great game. But Lindisfarne come up with it. Beautiful mahi there to defend right on their score try on their try line. Big boot. Oh, beautiful intercept there by Lindisfarne. Looking to take the lead. Lindisfarne will take the lead. Beautiful mahi there by Lindisfarne. Not sure if he's the prop. But if he is, that was a beautiful run there. Arawete mahi e roa. A kick coming up as Lindisfarne College down 0-14. Now take the lead 15-14. It's an exciting match here, whānau, between these two schools. Very close battle. Only 1 point separating the two. And it should be a pretty easy kick. And he does. 17-14 whānau. Take balls a bit. Nice catch there by Lindisfarne. This is where the game is decided, whānau. St. Paul's only need to score one try to retake the lead. Again, St. Paul's string, great strength and grit in the ruck. Beautiful recovery on that pass by St. Paul's.
He's massive, but he doesn't like dominate.
Great defense there by Lindisfarne. 6, 7, 8 defenders there on one player. They really want this win. Long pass out. Lindisfarne come up with a beautiful mahi there by Lindisfarne. Karawi in there, rangatahi in there kayaka.
Now.
Go, go, go!
Strong run.
Oh, come on, come on.
Again, final crucial minutes as we come up the final 10. Tēnei kēmu.
It was so messy, yeah.
That'll be a penalty for this fine final. Get the pai. Pai de tonu.
They're taking the three.
They'll take the three.
No, I'm definitely.
And this could be where the momentum shifts. And St. Paul's only need one try to retake the lead. St. Paul's are up almost 60 minutes of this game, whānau. Up 14-0 at one point, but now Lindisfarne taking the lead. Beautiful mahi here by our rangatahi. O tēnei rohe o te matawa MΑORI. Beautiful kick there by St. Paul's. Just under 10 more minutes here to go in what has been a very physical and gritty match between these two schools, whānau.
Stay on side, boys. Stay on side.
17 to 17. We're all tied up.
Yeah, he's over there, miss.
Oh, that's knock on. Knock on.
Oh, come on. Tackle! Go, Jackson!
So Matamata thought there was a knock on in the ruck.
Go, Lockie!
Lindisfarne showing great defence here. Not giving St. Paul's any metres. Great run though by number 10 for St. Paul's. And what I believe to be a knock on, and Lindisfarne get the ball back very close to their try line. This could make all the difference, whānau.
Go, Jed. Go, Jed.
Come on! Go, 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 go! Over, over!
Nice, Jed.
Could be a drop goal here, whānau.
And again! Come on!
Take the point!
And St. Paul's will get a penalty. Lindisfarne will come over with it. Again, whānau, literally anybody's game, 17 to 17 as we come up to the final minutes of this game.
Come on,
Whānau,
TK.
yeah.
It's like, what's it? Like the last
Lindisfarne.
Chasing Ollie. Ollie, chase the ball, mate. First up.
Number 18 here for Lindisfarne has had a great game so far. Scoring a try. A runaway try at that. And he'll try to put his team in the lead as we come up on the final. This is crucial, whānau.
Can't take A.
He makes a beautiful kick there by Lindisfarne. Once again, having a beautiful game as Lindisfarne take the lead. Beautiful mahi. 20 to 17. Beautiful step there by St. Paul's, but Lindisfarne on the defence. Very crucial moments here, whānau. in what's been anybody's game. Once again, St. Paul's had the lead until the 60-minute mark.
Go, BT.
Give away
Battle in the ruck here by St. Paul's. Very, very close here, Whanganui. They're celebrating a little bit too early there. That'll be a try. Beautiful mahi there by St. Paul's. St. Paul's will retake the lead. The lead going from side to side. Final moments here coming up, very crucial. Lindisfarne up 20. Now St. Paul's retake the lead 22 with a kick to come. This kick could be crucial, Whanganui. What a battle indeed, Whanganui. Ko tērā te tahi o ngā tino kēmu ko ki te i au. Whanganui I nei kura he rua ne. Nā ko tērā tō tātou kēmu I nai nei. Karawe. Ko reira, ko oti wā mātou. Mahi I tēnei rā, ki ngā kaiwhakahaere me ngā kaiwhakataitai kia haumaru te haere. Tēnā koutou katoa, ko tūhona mai ki tēnei hōtaka. I Whanganui, I Lindisfarne, Rawa o St. Paul's, ne? Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, katoa.